Assalamu alaikum. Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. Hope that all of you are doing fantastic. Today is the biggest festival for all the Muslims, Eid al-Azha, the glory of sacrifice. We, the Muslim, sacrifice our dearest things to our God and say prayer to have His mercy and rahmat. Actually, there are a lot of people around us who have no ability to sacrifice. So we should help them. We should raise our hand to help them, offering money and offering meat. Actually, there are a lot of people around us who sacrifice their things to show their greatness, but their sacrifice should will not be granted by Allah. We should sacrifice our things only to have the mercy of Allah, only to have the majesty of Allah. Okay, uh, may the day brighten your life. May the day bring to you a lot of happiness. May Allah accept your sacrifice. That's all for now. See you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.